Today, we're diving into a sneaky cyber attack technique called process hollowing. Ever heard of it? No worries. By the end of this video, you'll know what it is and how to protect your website from it. Let's get into it. Imagine a hacker sneaking into your server, hiding inside a legitimate process, and then replacing it with malicious code. That's process hollowing. It's like hiding a wolf in sheep's clothing. Your system thinks everything's normal, but behind the scenes, bad stuff is happening. Sounds sneaky, right? Well, here's how it works in a nutshell. The attacker starts a legitimate process, like Notepad or SVCost. They then hollow out that process, removing its original code. Finally, they inject malicious code into that process, making it look innocent, but actually doing harm. Quick poll. Have you or your team ever encountered suspicious processes on your servers? Comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Now, how do you protect your site? Here are 3 quick tips. Keep your software and security patches up to date. Use behavior-based detection tools that can spot unusual process activities. Regularly monitor your system processes and look out for anomalies. And remember, staying ahead of hackers means understanding their tricks. Process hollowing might be sneaky, but with the right defenses, you can keep your site safe. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more cybersecurity tips, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out.